Hello everyone, welcome to my podcast Sangrila with Ila Anantacharya. And today on this episode of Mesmerizing Monday, we have a very special guest who is an aspiring sketch artist. So I welcome to my podcast Mr. Prashant Sharma. Prashant, welcome to my show.
Thank you, ma'am, for having me on your podcast.
Okay, pleasure is all mine. So, Prashant, tell me, how did it all started, and when and where was the starting point of your passion as artist, specifically sketching?
I was making normal drawings from my childhood days, like in first or second standard, and till it gone up to 10th standard. I was making normal drawing only, like sceneries and all. But mainly the face sketches, the main part started from the last year of my college when I was in fifth semester. From fifth semester, like my department was electronics and communication, in which there were only two subjects, and doing sketching in free time, and till then I have improved a lot, and till 3 years like I'm doing sketching and all.
Okay, great. So, the passion started from the childhood and you continued throughout your school, but because of 10th and 12th, you laid down, but again in the final year, you pick it up. Is it true?
Yes, actually I have stopped till 2 years because of my board exam that was held in 2010 or 2012. So 2 years I have stopped making drawing, and after that I have started.
Okay, great. Now, just tell me something about your background. That is something about your school, college, something like that.
Actually, I have completed my degree and diploma from the well-known university in Gujarat, and I have did my schooling in MGM school, that is in Halol, from first to 10th.
Halol, great.
And my small there, yes,
Yeah. So I love Halol because I have been to Halol and I have been to Pavagadh also. And it's an. So, have you taken any official degree in arts?
I haven't taken any official degree. I have just learned to make myself only. Like I've tried sketching myself, and on through my way only.
Okay, can you explain it bit more? Like, how did you actually started on your own?
I watched a YouTube channel. Many of the artists were uploading their sketch technique. So I have gone through that, and I have implemented ideas of my own. And from there I have started.
Okay, great. So basically,
And
Prashant is a
day by day, actually, I am improving my skills also.
Yeah, great, great.
I am working in perfection also.
Yeah, great. That's very nice. So Prashant is is a self-taught artist and he is trying to improve himself day by day, and that is very nice. Now let's move forward. So, can you tell me who or what is your inspiration behind your sketches?
Watching a show when I was and in my childhood period. The show was coming in Pogo. It is the show name is MAD, that is Music, Art and Dance. The show is hosted by Arun Robert. In short form, we are speaking his name like Rob. So he is also an artist, and whatever his idea always coming in his mind only, and he is creating something unique. Like watching anything in where some waste materials if he will find, then suddenly idea will come in his mind, and from that using that waste material he can make anything, and it looks very creative. So from his idea only, I have got inspired, and I have created myself, that is sketching.
Okay,
and I'm working
great.
on it.
Great. I also used to watch that show Mad, and it was really amazing. and I can say that inspiration from a TV show is actually going to give you a very nice platform. Okay.
His new show is also coming. Just imagine in Disney Channel. In that also he is bringing same content but in different way. Like how I've told that using waste material is creating something unique and all that.
Very nice. Very good.
So I thought that if he can do such type of thing, then why I can't? So
yeah, inspiration can be from anywhere.
Inspired me, and
yeah, believe me that I also watch a lot of TV, and I also got inspiration for doing this, voiceover and podcasting from the TV itself. And it is very much important that you come out with your idea and bring it to the world. How long do it usually take to sketch a single picture?
sketching single picture, it usually take maximum of 3 to 4 hours. Like for sketching a normal pic, and for sketching like highlighted pics such as jewelry, designing clothes, saris, the sari design and hair shades and all. So it took like 5 to 6 hours maximum.
So
Because it includes detailed shadings and all that.
Yeah.
So that's
So
why.
you try to do it in a single sitting, or it takes 1 week or 1 month, or
Actually, if I get some work in between, like another work, so actually I take 2 to 3 days, like splitting hours. Like if one day I work in that in 2 hours, and second day I work in that in 2 hours, so like that. So it take maximum 3 to 4 days.
okay. So maximum 3 to 4 days you can complete a sketch. Very
Yes.
nice.
And if I work continuously, then in 5 to 6 hours it get completed.
In a single day, if you work continuously, it can be completed in 5 to 6 hours. Amazing. So
Yes.
now tell me something about the article which was published about you in the magazine Tare Zameen Par.
Before 3 years, I made an Instagram account in which I was uploading only sketches that I'm doing it from beginning. So by seeing that the Tare Zameen Par page is there in Instagram, so they have seen and contacted me that you should publish your sketch in our magazine also, so that you will get more promotion if the magazine will read by everyone. So by seeing my drawing, they have contacted me. So every 2 months their edition is coming, and and they are asking me for different sketches, and they are publishing it on their magazine.
Amazing. So I have seen those sketches, I have seen those magazine pics which you have uploaded in the FB, and they are really very nice, and you are doing a very good job. Keep it up.
Actually, that magazine is basically for upcoming artists only. That if someone is good at writing stories, writing poems, and photography, doing sketches, so they can contact them, and they will give a nice platform. For me, it's a nice platform.
Yeah. So anybody who is listening to my podcast, if you are an aspiring poet or if you are an aspiring photographer, you have to contact to Tare Zameen Par. It's a magazine, and you will get your work published over there. So please, if you want to, please you can contact me, or you can contact Prashant. We both will help you to move forward. Now, tell me, how do you get the order of the sketches? I know that you are getting many orders of the sketches. So, how did it all started getting order, and how do you complete the order?
When I started making sketch, then till 1 year I was not getting any order. Then in free time I made a sketch of Salam Puri, who is a famous singer and a band. So I made his sketch with a ball pen and I've uploaded it in Instagram. And on that day, I got his reply. From that day only, many of them viewers have seen his reply, and they have congratulated me. And the Sanam Puri fans have also messaged me, and from that day, I have started getting orders. And till 2 years, like I have mentioned, like in story also. So by watching that, everybody is ordering me from my Instagram account, and I have mentioned my mail ID also. So if they want to send their HD pics, that quality should be clear. So they are mailing me pic also for sketching.
Great. So the story goes that Prashant have put a picture of Sanam Puri, the very famous singer, and he himself has commented it, and I have seen that comment. He's written wow, and after that Prashant has started getting orders, and believe me listeners, I have seen that what professionalism he is showing in this ordered sketch. It is exactly what has been shown in the actual picture has been put in the sketch. So Prashant, you are doing really a professional work, so amazing. Okay, Prashant, tell me something about your YouTube channel.
I have started YouTube channel before, in which actually I haven't told about that MS Paint sketch. Actually, I was doing something drawing scenery type in MS Paint also. So firstly, I was uploading that in YouTube, and in between I stopped when I was started making sketches. So nearly up to 6 months or 1 year, I haven't uploaded anything on my YouTube channel. And when I've started making sketches, so after 1 year, I have started uploading my sketch videos in YouTube.
Anybody learn from your YouTube channel that how to make the sketch?
Yes, actually, I am trying to uploading the sketch in stepwise. So like how I am starting it and how I am giving it finishing. So if they will observe full video of mine, then they can learn from it.
So tell me something about your this. You have a brand which is known as Prashant Artworks. So what all is included in that, and tell me the various types of work you are including in the sketching. For example, pencil, ballpoint, what all?
Actually, it's my title name only that I have given for my Instagram account and for my YouTube channel also. So by searching that name, you can easily find my YouTube channel. And the various type of sketches I am doing, mainly I am taking orders for pencil sketch. That is normal sketch only that I am doing with pencil, and I am doing pencil color sketch.
Okay.
Which I am not taking order, but I am trying to learn that I can make it better so that I can start order of that also. And nearby 2 to 3 months, I have started watercolor painting also.
Great. So
and that painting you can see in my YouTube channel also. I have uploaded that step by step how I have done.
Yeah, great. So Prashant is doing basically pencil sketch. He is very much mastered the pencil sketching, but he's also trying in the color pencil, and he's nowadays also showcasing his talent in the watercolor drawing, right?
I'm doing a ball pen sketch also, like I'm doing sketch with pen also, like a dotted sketch and all extra.
Yeah, great. Fine. So now tell me something about this ebook which you have uploaded in this by Prashant Sharma Art Exhibit India by Cleveland eHealth. So tell me something about that ebook.
Going through my Insta stories, in between that only stories are coming. So in that only I have found that art exhibit ebook we can publish of our own, and so I have just login in that, and I have entered my detailed and my all near all by 20 it got published 3 months, and they have just WhatsApp me on my number, and they have like send me a link, so that from this link you can open and you can edit your sketch every 3 months. Like if you are doing some new creativity, so you can add in that also, so that the viewers from any part of the world, they can watch your work.
Great. So all the sketches, the art done by the Prashant Sharma can be found out in the ebook. Okay. So very nice. So Prashant, tell me about the other hobbies apart from sketching. What are your other hobbies?
Other hobbies, I listen music, and if if I get free time, then I write inspirational stories.
Inspirational stories. Great. Amazing. That is also a really nice talent. Okay. Then whenever you get free, just share some stories, okay? Because I am a life coach and I want that inspirational stories to be again showcased to the world, okay? We do that also.
The stories like related to like this young generation only, that some of the talent which are hidden in our world, that they can't able to show.
So that I am here.
For them also, we have to create such platforms so that they can.
Yes, so I am here if you have any
yes,
other
I was telling
friend.
that for them also a platform should be there, so that they can showcase their talent in them.
Yeah.
They can come forward.
Yeah. Just if you have any other friend, or if you want others to showcase their talent, just give me them my number. I'm here to help you all. And that is the very reason I have started this interview style podcast of Mesmerizing Mondays, because I want that if there is any talent nearby me, I want that it is to be showcased to the whole world. Okay, so very nice. You are having this sketch, and then you are having a hobby of writing and inspiring stories. Very good. Now, just tell me, where can you see yourself in coming 5 years?
To see myself as a famous artist,
Okay, famous sketch artist.
that I known to every world.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So, what advice do you want to share with the upcoming artist? Like, as in your field or any other artist, what advice do you want to give?
Like I have seen some of the artists like who are professional. Actually, they have taken degree, and they are taking orders and doing sketches. So they are also doing nice work. But for them who want to learn themselves, I am telling that just practice with your own, learn with your own, and just there is only some of the tricks that you want to know, and you can do it by yourself also. And if you will do yourself, then you can do better than like professional artists.
Okay. So, what
And the
Prashant?
main thing required, that is practice. Like
What Prashant needs to say is that if you have a real talent, then it is inside you, and you have to just take it out. So you have to just learn few basic things from here and there, but then be yourself. Whatever you know, you try it by yourself, then you will be totally different. You will be original, and you will be not an duplicate or replica or someone else. Is it correct, Prashant?
yes, and I have seen in many cases that many of them are telling that I have to study more, that I am having work, I am like I want to study for my exam. So for them, I am telling that if you want to do something inside, like if you want to do sketching, so that you can take time for it. At least take 1 hour in a day. So in that 1 hour, you can, if you will do practice, then also you can become like improve in that.
Yes. So another point he wants to add is that if you want to, achieve or you want to continue with your passion, then you have to be consistent. So along with your job, along with your studies, you have to give at least 1 hour of time in a day to practice whatever you want to do. Whether it can be dancing, it can be singing, it can be sketching, anything. But you have to be consistent and you have to practice.
Yes.
Yes, great. So now, are you planning to carry out any workshops, that is online, offline, regarding your work? Any workshop you are planning to carry out?
Actually, actually I've seen some of the artists, and I'm getting message also that you are doing this much great. Can we learn from you? So from that day, I've started that I should make a group of them, and for them, I can arrange some online classes, and I can give I can give them suggestions for drawing that they can learn from that. And yes, I am planning for online classes of it
Yes.
very soon, maybe from next year.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. So you can make others learn what you have already known through your sketching and all that. Right, very nice. So those who want to study sketch from Prashant, you have to wait till next year because he is planning and the online classes, and you can then join it. Great. So Prashant, what is a big dream which you want to achieve? Is there any apart from being a famous artist, what is another thing, big dream you want to have in your life?
I want my own house
Okay. So he
somewhere in
wanted.
the somewhere in good location. So somewhere like I want silent and good atmosphere. So where I can sit and I can like paint something, imagine like from my imagination.
Yes. So
I
basically,
want silent atmosphere
yeah,
where I should
basically,
have my own house.
artist basically an artist always require a silent artist like an island. So Prashant, I suggest you to search for an island where you can just sit and then you can imagine and you can sketch, and then after 1 month you can come back. What do you say?
Actually, doing sketching or whatever, like someone is doing painting, so they need a very silent atmosphere. Then only they can draw with perfection.
Yes, I agree with you. I totally agree with you. Now, okay, we are about to, complete our interview. So, Prashant, tell me where our audience can find you or can contact you if they want to give you any order or something like that.
Best way to contact me is on Instagram only. Just if you want to search, then you can directly write Prashant _art _work. You will get my ID. So that you can. So from that ID only you can DM me if you want any order. So further details will be sent by me immediately. So from there they can order, and I have my Facebook account also. So from there also anyone can DM and just ask for sketch order.
Yeah, great. Prashant, it was very nice talking to you, and I'm so happy that you are doing a very good job. And I've seen many of your sketches, and they are incredible. And that's why I have contacted you, and that's why this interview is taking place. So, all the best for your future. And I would like to, give order of my sketch also to you, so that in future I can show that I have got Prashant Sharma to get my sketch. Okay, so very nice talking to you, Prashant. Thank you so much.
So thank you, ma'am. It's nice meeting you, and thank to you too for giving me a chance on your podcast. Thank you.
Thank you.